Welcome to my channel. Let's learn food types. Apple is healthy food. Fries is unhealthy food. Chocolate is unhealthy food. Egg is healthy food. Rice is healthy food. Pizza is unhealthy food. Carrot is healthy food. Lollipop is unhealthy food. Fish is healthy food. Meat is healthy food. Spinach is healthy food. Mango is healthy food. Shawarma is unhealthy food. Grapes are healthy food. Candy is unhealthy food. Orange is healthy food. Cauliflower is healthy food. Biscuit is unhealthy food. Cotton candy is unhealthy food. Salad is healthy food. Strawberry is healthy food. Cake is unhealthy food. Ice cream is unhealthy food. Noodle is unhealthy food. Wheat is healthy food. Bread is healthy food. Jelly is unhealthy food. Donut is unhealthy food. Momos are unhealthy food. Milk is healthy food. Lemonade is healthy food. Potato is healthy food. Watermelon is healthy food. Nuts are healthy food. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.